Demand for residential realty bounces back in June 2021. Despite the slump during April and May, the demand for housing in June 21st rebounded to the March 21st levels. This shift has led to the rise in demand share of 3 BHKs and higher configurations in Delhi NCR, Hyderabad and Kolkata, reaching an all-time high of more than 65% of the overall demand share in these markets. This swift recovery signals a revival in stability in the industry, he said. However, most premium and high-income buyers were relatively less impacted by the crisis in terms of the money flow. This trend has led to the fall in demand of lower configuration, while the demand for bigger houses persisted during Q2 2021. The price growth was primarily on the back of the rise in price of under-construction projects, which rose by 10.8%. However, the prices of the ready-to-move property remained stagnant during the same time period. Bengaluru, a dip of more than 25% in demand during the second quarter of 2021 was observed. However, the prices of properties continue to show a resilient outlook as they grew slightly over 1% during the same period. Chennai, the demand for residential houses declined by 17.9% in the quarter ended June 2021 compared to 3.7% in the first quarter. The housing prices in the city and its suburbs, however, increased by 1.5% despite the lockdown and business closure. Hyderabad, the city's residential market witnessed an increase in the launch of new projects, resulting in an upward revision of property prices in both under construction and ready-to-move segments. Mumbai's real estate market too faced some headwinds, registering some contraction in the residential demand. Pune, despite the ongoing crisis and slowdown in the real estate and infrastructure sector, the residential property prices in Pune registered a marginal QoQ growth of 0.7% during the quarter ended June 2021. However, caution is required given the resurgence of COVID cases in the country and threats of another streak of lockdowns.